Hey, what's up guys? I'm making coconut curry banh mi today for 3 meals. Check it out. So here are the ingredients, okay? So we do have some banh mi. I've got my veggies, so I've got carrot, mushroom, asparagus, and some broccoli. And of course, for the coconut curry, we have some coconut milk. I'm using just a light coconut milk right here. I've also got our condiments, coconut sugar, and some coconut aminos. The protein for today is chicken and prawn. And of course, I've got my ginger, garlic, onion, a little bit of chili right here, and some red curry paste since it's curry. And of course, we're gonna start off with some coconut oil. So if you've got all the ingredients ready, let's get started. So what I'm gonna start off with is to heat up the pan on medium high-ish, okay? And once the pan is hot, we're gonna add in the coconut oil, okay? So one step at a time. Alrighty, so I'm gonna add in the coconut oil first. So just add in the coconut oil. Alright, so once the pan is hot, we're just gonna add in the onion and garlic. Just dump that in. And of course the ginger. So we're gonna stir fry this, guys, okay? So until the smell sort of rises up. Alright, just a quick one, maybe about a minute or two. Alright, so once the onion, garlic, and ginger is sort of brown, the smell is nice, okay? We're gonna add in the chicken, okay? So I'm gonna add in the protein first. Alright, so I'm just gonna dump in the chicken breast. I've got it sliced right here. Alright, so the thing about chicken is, guys, okay, we gotta just stir fry it for a little longer. So maybe about 6 minutes is good. And then we're gonna proceed to add in the prawn because the prawn doesn't take very long to cook. Alright, so as soon as the chicken's kind of semi-cooked, right? Alright, so we are gonna add in the prawn. So, got the prawn here. And we're gonna stir fry it together. Awesome. So just with the prawn, guys, okay, we wanna make it kind of red, alright? So, wouldn't take very long for prawns. Ooh, look at that. Nice. Alright guys, so next thing we're gonna do is gonna add in the paste. So I've got my red curry paste and chili paste. So just add the red curry paste in. Just gonna add this in. And the chili paste. So this is my homemade chili paste, guys, okay? You can use any chili paste if you don't want to make it, alright? But homemade one is perfect. Alright, and we're just gonna fold it in together. Ooh, the smell kind of rising up. Alrighty, so next thing we're gonna do is gonna add in the coconut milk, coconut sugar, and coconut aminos, okay? So I will add in the coconut milk first. Right in. Awesome. Followed by some coconut sugar. Just sprinkle that in. And some coconut aminos. There you go. And we are going to stir it up. Awesome. So this is where it gets a little bit of a waiting time, okay? So we're gonna let it simmer in sort of medium-low heat, all right? So I'm gonna change that up. And we're just gonna let it simmer for about 8 minutes, okay? Okay, so once it starts to bubble up, guys, okay, we're gonna add in the broccoli and the carrots, okay? Just so it lets it cook together with the curry. So I'm gonna add in the broccoli right there and the carrots right there. And we are gonna just fold it in. Ooh. Okay, so just let it simmer, and if you want to make it a little bit thicker, then don't need to add in any water, okay? But if you kind of want it to be like gravy-ish, right? So it's a little bit soupy, you can add in some water. I am gonna add in some water in a bit, right after I've folded this in. So, adding in some water. Alright, so just cover it up and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Alrighty, so, ooh, look at that. Awesome. So, just give it a little stir. Oh, look at that, guys. That's how it looks like. What we're gonna do next is to add in the mushroom. So I'm just gonna add in the mushroom and the last bit of veggie, which is the asparagus. All right, oops, just a little bit. And just gonna just fold it in together. Lots of veggies in this, guys. It's important. Okay. So the last bit is to just kind of taste it a little bit, see whether you need any extra salt or pepper. So I'm gonna do that right here. Let's grab a spoon and taste it out, okay? I honestly think it's okay. Just the tangy of the sweetness in it and spicy. Perfect. I think it's fine. I'm not gonna add in any salt or pepper, but that's completely up to you. You can do that if you want. So while the mushroom and asparagus is cooking, I'm gonna start putting together my meals. So I've got my little containers right here. So I'm using whole grain banh mi, okay? So brown rice banh mi. And it looks something like this. So each of this is about 75 grams. So I'm doing 3 meals, right? So what we're gonna do is just add in as equally as possible into the containers. So got one right here. Second bit right here. It's probably a bit too much in the first one. And the third bit right here. So just a little bit of it here. And one final bit right here. Awesome. So of course, when it comes to carbs, it really depends on your goals. So make sure you eat according to your goals, okay? All right, just a little check on my red curry, coconut curry. It's really tasty, guys. Now that's done. I am gonna just add this into my containers and build my meals, okay? So let's grab this bit. Okay, so we're gonna just start off by adding in the ingredients. And just adding in the ingredients, last little bit right here. Awesome. And just build your meals, guys, okay? Just this way. This one right here. Awesome. So make sure you just scoop out the gravy right here, guys, okay? So gonna add in the gravy here and here. So still got a little bit more ingredients here. Awesome. So what I want to try and do is let's get the prawn. I'm gonna add it in right at the top since I have 6 of it and I have properly portioned it out for each of it. Awesome! There you go, guys. So that's 3 meals called the coconut curry banh mi with chicken and prawn. Give it a try and I hope you like it. I'll see you guys again in my next video.